If the Windows search service is running, but Outlook search is still failing, you may need to rebuild the search index. This index is a database that helps Outlook quickly find emails, and it can become corrupted or outdated. To rebuild the index, start by opening Outlook and clicking File in the top menu bar. Then select Options from the menu and choose Search from the options list. In the search options, click on Indexing Options to open the Windows search settings. Click the Advanced button, then click Rebuild to start the process. Rebuilding the search index completely recreates the database from scratch. This can take several hours for large mailboxes, but Outlook remains functional during the process. Just be patient and avoid interrupting it. Outlook add-ins can sometimes interfere with search functionality. Start Outlook in safe mode by holding the Control key while launching Outlook to disable all add-ins. If search works in safe mode, re-enable add-ins one by one to identify the culprit. To ensure you have the latest Outlook version, Microsoft regularly provides updates that include important bug fixes and performance improvements. These updates often address search-related issues that may be causing problems. Installing these updates can resolve indexing problems and restore missing emails by fixing underlying software issues. To check for updates in Outlook, navigate through the menu, go to File, then Account, then Update Options, and finally select Update Now. This will check for and install any available updates automatically. Running the latest version helps maintain Outlook's search functionality. Antivirus software can sometimes conflict with Outlook's search functionality by scanning or blocking access to email data files. First, temporarily disable your antivirus software to test if it resolves the search issue. Use caution and only disable it temporarily. If disabling the antivirus fixes the problem, adjust your antivirus settings to exclude Outlook data files from scanning. As Outlook integrates AI-powered search features like Copilot, it's important to understand the data privacy implications. AI search uses machine learning to analyze your emails and predict search results based on your behavior. While this improves efficiency, it involves processing your personal data. Your email content may be used to train AI models or stored in the cloud for analysis. This raises privacy concerns, especially regarding sensitive information in emails. Regulations like GDPR require transparency and user consent for data processing. Microsoft must comply, but users should understand their rights and control options. If privacy is a concern, you can opt out of AI features. Go to Outlook Settings, find Privacy Options, and disable Copilot or intelligent search features. Balance convenience with privacy by regularly reviewing your data usage and opting out of features that make you uncomfortable. Preventative maintenance is essential for keeping Outlook healthy and preventing search issues. Regularly compacting PST files helps prevent corruption and maintains optimal search performance. Keeping Outlook updated ensures you receive important bug fixes and access to new features that improve search reliability. Regular malware scans protect against viruses and other threats that can interfere with Outlook's search functionality. By implementing these preventative measures, you can maintain a smooth and reliable Outlook experience with consistent search performance. Microsoft reports that 1 in 5 Outlook users experience search issues monthly, according to 2025 data. This highlights the widespread nature of the problem. IT professionals commonly resolve these issues, with 65% using index rebuilds as their primary solution. Additionally, 20% of IT professionals find that PST file repairs are necessary to restore functionality. Outlook's search functionality scores 7.5 out of 10 on TrustRadius in 2025, showing moderate user satisfaction. This represents an improvement from 6.8 out of 10 in 2024, largely due to the introduction of AI features. However, Outlook still trails competitors like Gmail, which scores 8.2 out of 10 in user satisfaction ratings.